Hello folks, here's a quick review on this DEWALT cordless screwdriver, model number DCF680 cordless screwdriver by DEWALT. This particular driver has their gyroscopic technology. What that means is that when you press the trigger, you have to tilt or turn the driver to the direction that you want it to go. So if I want to drive in a screw into wood, I would tilt it to the right. If I want to unscrew something, I would tilt it to the left. The more you tilt it, the faster it goes. What I like about this particular driver, is that it has a very high torque at low speeds. So even though it's going that slow, it can drive a screw in to your project with sensitivity. There are many drivers out there that cannot go that slow with high torque. So if you're looking for something for a sensitive project that you need full control when driving in screws, this is a good option for you. Another thing it has a light. So that comes in useful in some cases. Your pounds or square inch, I believe it's square inch or pounds, I'm not sure, but you can make the adjustments right here for that. It does come with one battery. It's 8-volt lithium ion. And a charger. Charge time probably is around 30 minutes, not less than an hour. I get about probably 30 minutes use of it every day for 7 days, and I probably just charge it like once a week. Yeah, so if I was going to probably use this continuously, I probably get at least 2 hours, maybe 1 hour of use off of one charge. I mean, that's if you just kept it on and non-stop, but you know, off and on probably you get at least, I don't know, 3 hours of use of it. I haven't really measured that, but I do get a lot of use out of it per charge. Another great feature on this particular driver is that it does pivot right here, and so you can use it to drive in screws that way. And then if you would rather prefer a pistol grip, you can pivot it that way and use it that way. So yeah, this is a great tool. I've had this over a year now, and it's still running flawlessly and running strong. And I highly recommend it. If you're looking for something like this, check them out. DEWALT with gyroscopic technology. Alright folks, have a great day. Thanks.